Chapter 4 Personal Finance. Section 4.4 Credit Cards, Paying Off Consumer Debt. Credit card basics. Amount subject to finance charges is equal to previous balance minus payment plus purchases, where the finance charge is calculated by applying monthly interest rate R equals to APR divided by 12 to this amount. New balance. Amount subject to finance charges plus finance charge. Example. Suppose your Visa card calculates finance charges using an APR of 22.8%. Your previous statement showed a balance of $500 in response to which you made a payment of $200. You then bought $400 worth of clothes which you charged to your Visa card. Find a new balance after 1 month. Solution. Amount subject to finance charges is equal to previous balance minus payment plus purchases, which is equal to $500 minus $200 plus $400 equals to $700. The finance charge is APR divided by 12 times 700 equals to 228,000 divided by 12 times 700 equals to $13.30. New balance is equal to amount subject to finance charges plus finance charge equals to $700 plus $13.30 equals to $713.30. Example. We have a card with an APR of 24%. The minimum payment is 5% of the balance. Suppose we have a balance of $400 on the card. We decide to stop charging and pay it off by making the minimum payment each month. Calculate the new balance after we have made our first minimum payment, and then calculate the minimum payment due for the next month. Solution. First minimum payment is equal to 5% of balance, or 500 times $400 equals to $20. Amount subject to finance charges is previous balance minus payment plus purchases, which is equal to $400 minus $20 plus $0 equals to $380. The finance charge is equal to APR divided by 12 times $380, which is equal to 2400 divided by 12 times $380 equals to 200 times 380, which is $7.60. New balance is equal to amount subject to finance charges plus finance charge, $380 plus $7.60 equals to $387.60. The next minimum payment will be 5% of $387.60. Minimum payment equals to 5% of balance, which is equal to 500 times $387.60, which is equal to $19.38. Minimum payment balance. Minimum payment balance formula. Balance after T minimum payments is equal to initial balance times 1 plus R times 1 minus M to the power of T, where R is the monthly rate, M is the minimum monthly payment as a percent of balance. Example. We have a card with an APR of 20% and a minimum payment that is 4% of the balance. We have a balance of $250 on the card, and we stop charging and pay off that balance by making the minimum payment each month. Find the balance after 2 years of payments. The monthly interest rate is R equals to 20% divided by 12, or 2/10 divided by 12. The minimum payment is 4% of new balance, which is M equals to 400. Initial balance is $250. The number of payments is T equals to 2 times 12 equals to 24 months. Balance after T minimum payments is equal to initial balance times 1 plus R times 1 minus M to the power of T, which is equal to $250 times 1 plus 2/10 divided by 12 times 1 minus 400 to the power of 24, and that's equal to $139.55. Example. Suppose you have a balance of $10,000 on your Visa card which has an APR of 24%. The card requires a minimum payment of 5% of the balance. You stop charging and begin making only the minimum payment until your balance is below $100. 1. Find a formula that gives your balance after T monthly payments. 2. Find your balance after 5 years of payments. 3. Determine how long it will take to get your balance under $100. And 4. Suppose that instead of minimum payment, you want to make a fixed monthly payment so that your debt is clear in 2 years. How much do you pay each month? Solution 1. The minimum payment as a decimal, m equals to 5 hundredths. The monthly rate is r equals to 24 hundredths divided by 12, or 2 hundredths. The initial balance is $10,000. Balance after T minimum payments is equal to initial balance times 1 plus r times 1 minus m to the power of t, equals to $10,000 times 1 plus 2 hundredths times 1 minus 5 hundredths to the power of t, which is equal to 10,000 times 969 thousandths to the power of t. 2. Now 5 years, t is equal to 5 times 12 equals to 60 months. Balance after 60 months is equal to $10,000 times 969 thousandths to the power of 60, which is equal to $1,511.56. After 5 years, we still owe $1,500. 3. Determine how long it takes to get the balance down to $100. Method 1. Using the logarithm. Solve for t the equation 100 equals to 10,000 times 969 to the power of t. Divide each side of the equation by 10,000. 100 divided by 10,000 is equal to 10,000 divided by 10,000 times 969 thousandths to the power of t. 100 is equal to 969 thousandths to the power of t. Solve exponential equation using logarithm. A equals to b to the power of t is t equal to common logarithm of a divided by common logarithm of b. Using this formula, t is equal to common logarithm of 100 divided by common logarithm of 969 thousandths, which is equal to $146.02 months. The balance will be under $100 after 147 months payments. Consider your debt as an installment loan. Amount borrowed is $10,000. Monthly interest rate is r equals to APR divided by 12, or 24% divided by 12 equals to 2 hundredths. Pay off the loan over 24 months, t is equal to 24. Use the monthly payment formula from section 4.2. Monthly payment is equal to amount borrowed times r times 1 plus r to the power of t divided by 1 plus r to the power of t minus 1, equals to 10,000 times 2 hundredths times 1 and 2 hundredths to the power of 24 divided by 1 and 2 hundredths to the power of 24 minus 1. That's equal to $528.71. So the payment of $528.71 each month will clear the debt in 2 years.